right. All right, step 3, finally. So we called update second here. We called update second here. Now let's go ahead and make this function update second so that its functionalities will now happen. All right, so we're going to define the update second function to handle the song progress and display duration. Okay, so let's go function. I wonder what this one does. No, we don't want that. Function, and I wanted to see that one. Ooh, all right, yeah, that's a good one. Function, update second. No parameters. Let position to start off equal 0. Okay. Now, if not duration, nice. Okay. And do this current time, multiply it by 100 divided by this right here. Okay, and now we're going to update that slider. So this one is the update slider position. All right, awesome. So that's organizing that. And now next, we're going to display total duration. So I'm going to create a variable first. Here we're going to use mathematical expression math.floor. Divided by 60 so that it knows the minutes, and then again go ahead and copy from here, math.floor, song index duration minus duration minutes times 60. Close the parentheses, semicolon. All right, and then now total backtick. Remember, that's backtick. Okay, yes. So those mathematical expressions, beast. Okay, so yes, duration minutes, we want that to be absolute, and this is what's just going to be displayed. And then here are the seconds, and then if it's less than 10, we're just going to have 0, and then current seconds. Okay, and then so we can, let's go ahead and just copy this again, but we're just going to make some adjustments because we're going to create this now though for display current playback time. And so we'll change this up. The equation, a lot of the equations are the same. So current minutes math.floor. Let's just put a space here just in case. Oops. Math.floor. So same equation there. And then here, current underscore seconds. Math.floor. Instead of duration, we're putting current time. Current time. Instead of duration minutes. Oh wait. Instead of duration here. Current time. And then this one will be current minutes. Changing up that equation. And then here, current duration current underscore minutes, and go ahead and copy that, current underscore seconds. Same equations. Awesome. And almost done for this function. We want if Now if the song is ended, we're going to now clear the interval, call update second, this will reset when song ends. And then we want our wave animation. And then we want our pause button. This one's single quote. To turn to the play button. Equals, sorry. Okay, semicolon. Save, remember to save it. And let's check it out. Oh yeah. Very cool. I think I might have a little error right here. Let's look at it. There, quick edit. This, not current seconds. This needs to be this, duration, seconds. Save that. There it is. Nice. That's good. The way to find it. See how that there's parentheses here and not an angle bracket? Boom. Save that. Let's check it out. There you go. Okay.